Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to one more blog of Agronomy Solutions. Today we are at our estate. So, they have picked the crop. They have come to the drying yard. Now they are picking up the green. So he's picking up the green. As we have a basic infrastructure, we don't have a green bean sorter, nor we have a dryer. So we have a basic infrastructure, and this time we have invested on drying yard because we wanted a sun-dried coffee. So you can see how well our coffee is dried. But we are not taking any chances. Still, we are making sure that the greens has been separated before getting into the pulper. So these are the things you can see here. Even here, the greens have been separated. You can just check out the quality here. Just check out the quality of the coffee, how well it has been grown with the proper nutrition management. So check out the green percentage. So we are in the month of December 21st, and you can see how the process we believe in. This is a small process what we have make sure that the greens being separated before getting into the pulper. Now coming back, let's check out the percentage of green here also. These are the green. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಾಯಿ?
ಕಾಯಿ ಒಂದು 30%.
30% ಇದೆಯಾ? So here also you can see the red berries. This is Robusta C/R. Entire estate what we have is Robusta C/R, what we have multiplied. This year is a lifetime high crop since I started replanting. We started replanting in the year 2016-17. So this is how the process is going on. Then coming back to the, we are doing whole crop as a parchment because we don't have dryers yet. We don't have a drying yard. This time we have invested for the drying yard for 30,000 square feet, which is again we are not able to manage in 30,000 square feet as well. So coming back to the parchments, you can just check out the quality, how the quality is. So we're going towards the pulper. I'll show you our pulper. I'll show you the quality of the beads of parchment. See, this is a parchment lot. A beautiful washed pulp coffee. So coming back here, the fresh lot is here. This fresh lot is pulp now. Zoom out. You can see here how well we have washed and how well the quality is. This is a beautiful Robusta C/R parchment. So this is how we have, you can see the new inbuilt drying yard what we have prepared. So most of the people had asked me about the gaps here of the drying yard, for which you can see there's no gaps, and like I'll make a separate block for that. Separate block for it. So this is how the drying yard is filled with the coffee. So now coming back to the pulper. See how well the washed bushels we have of Robusta parchment C/R. You can just check. Now coming back to the pulper, most of the people they were asking me what pulper I'm using. We are just using a basic pulper of Bharat Engineering Works, 4-disc pulper with S4 engine attached to it. Then here you can see the quality again, how well it has washed. So these are the basic infrastructures what we have done at Hiba Coffee Lands. Then coming back, I'll show you our water tank, fruit tank. So December 21st, we have covered almost 40% of the crop. So whole crop is ripe at our estate. Most of the people they have come, they have seen what I'm putting in the blogs. Is it right or wrong? But like seeing is believing. So the most of the people from Coorg, Chikmangla, from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, most of the people have come, visited. They're happy with there's a thought process called seeing is believing. So this is how it is. Now you coming back to this, you can just check out the cherry, how dried it is. Zoom madappa. How dried it is. So we are pulping because as we don't have a space to make it a cherry lodge. Now coming back to this, melba. Coming back, this is our fruit tank which has a capacity of 3,500 kgs, but it's not sufficient. So this is how. Now coming back to, now we'll go to the our one more drying yard which is at which is called Site First, where we have put all the cherries. This is a drying yard where we use, this is a 15,000 square feet drying yard where we use for parchments. Then coming back to the mail-in kadage poti cherry hakidire now. So I'll take you there also. Come, let's go. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸು. So luckily our drying yard is ready for the season. Crop is coming good. So all the puzzles has been sent well for the season. This is how it is. Now we are going to the top drying yard where whole cherries are filled there. So this is how the process is going on. I'll cover ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬ. ತೂಕ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಮ್ಮ? ತೂಕ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ತೂಕ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? This is the point. This is the point where we measure the coffee, which is hand-picked. Then cherries. Will be loaded. So this pickup. Then this pickup will go to the next drying yard where the cherries are. Cherry lots are drying. So this is our second drying yard. So where we are coming up with our office, storeroom. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ zoom ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. parking of our vehicles. So now here, this is almost again 14,000 square feet. This is almost a 14,000 square feet of drying area which is ready with the chain link and all that, which is fully equipped. So here are the cherry lots. So in the cherry also you can see the size bean, zoom marda, size bean, you can see the quality of the coffee. So if we manage the nutrition practices well and our irrigation practices are good, so we can achieve our goals. And if we believe in process, everything will fall in places by default. So this is how we are separating our greens. And as I told you, it's just December 21st and we have almost completed 40% of our harvesting. So you can imagine how we have managed. So this is a quite this is the few things which I wanted to cover in this blog. And for more information, keep liking my videos, keep sharing it. Please press the bell button and subscribe the channel. I need your support, and thanks for your support. Your day by day you are developing my channel. So my channel is all about only agriculture activities and operational activities, what's happening in the estate. So as Agronomy Solutions, I have told you in other blogs also, we just believe that agriculture is our culture. Thank you one and all.